Please, please trim the
Bushes.
bushes.
Please trim the bushes. Very good. Good job. Okay, next, number 18.
The woman prepare food for the people.
Okay, the woman prepares with an S. Sebab dia singular noun because the woman is singular. So prepares with an S. Okay, next one, number 19.
Tells me what to do.
Him. Tell him what to do. Tell is only tell without an S. Tell him what to do. Okay, number 20.
She grow a lot of orchid plants in her garden.
Okay, she is singular now. So, dia satu. Jadi lepas tu ada S. She grows a lot of orchid plants in her garden. Grows with an S. Okay. Can you try number 21?
Maria write neatly.
Neatly. Okay, Kamaria is also singular noun. So, writes with an S. So, Kamaria writes neatly. Okay, next one, number 22.
A few ladies clean the room.
Very good. The few ladies clean the room without an S. Okay, number
Aziz and Azman cycles to school.
Okay, Aziz and Azman, dua orang. There's two people. So, cycle only. Sebab dia plural noun. Two people. Dia bukan satu. Two. Okay, next. Number 24.
It cries loudly.
Very good. It cries loudly. Good job. Okay, next one.
The sun rise in the east.
Okay, the sun is also singular noun. Satu je matahari. So, rises. The sun rises in the east. All right, next. Number 26.
They
Usually
eats dinner at 8 o'clock.
Okay. They is plural noun. Sama, ramai. So, eat. They usually eat only without an S. They usually eat dinner at 8 o'clock. Okay, what is he? He is singular noun or plural noun?
Plural.
He is single lah. Satu je he, dia. So kalau singular noun, ada S ke tidak ada S?
No.
SN, singular noun, ada S ke tidak?
Have.
Have S. So, he what? He park or he parks? He parks with an S. He parks the car outside. Okay, number 28.
The sun sets in the west.
Very good. The sun sets in the west with an S. Good job. Okay, number 29.
Ask Ali to see me tonight.
Very good. Ask Ali to see me tonight. Number 30.
cat. A cat catches mice for food.
Very good. A cat catches mice for food. ES. Catches. Okay, number 31.
A bat fly. A bat flies at night.
Very good. A bat flies at night. Good job. Number 32.
He is very sick. When Aisha take him to the clinic.
Okay, Puan Aisyah is also singular noun, Aliah. So takes. Puan Aisyah takes him to the clinic.